Nationally, 10 to 15% of all high occupancy vehicle or HOV lane users violate regulations, resulting in a deficit of $1 billion a year in the state of Texas alone. Managing these HOV lanes with the current methods is costly and inefficient.
So in order to solve this problem, we decided to create a device that would utilize sound recognition to activate an infrared detector to determine the number of people within a vehicle to manage these HOV lanes.
We first collected about 120 sound samples from various cars at car dealerships. We then analyzed these sound samples to generate a sound signature. We then tested the viability of two different infrared sensors, a thermopile and a PIR sensor. The PIR sensor proved quickly to be the sensor of choice, mainly because of its increased range and its accuracy in detection of a thermal ion. We then created a macro to activate the IR sensor whenever a sound sample was considered to be a car door closing. This was made to conserve energy. Then we created a device that automatically ran the macro on a portable platform, and we used a TI Stellaris microcontroller to be able to carry this out.
At the end, we were able to create a device that would detect the number of people within a car. We created a trigger mechanism to activate an infrared detector to reduce the energy consumption, and we also optimized the PIR sensor for usage within a car.
We also looked into various business aspects. Instead of being fined $200 and upwards for violating an HOV regulation, you would only be charged $15 for traveling by yourself in a managed HOV lane. This will provide an incentive for many people to use these HOV lanes and will help traffic congestion and bring back revenue to the state of Texas every year. We will also ideally use existing toll tag infrastructures to help reduce the setup costs.
This device only detects thermal movement, so a person cannot be identified from within a car, which would help in any privacy concerns an individual may have. In the future, we could use this device to manage HOV lanes more efficiently, while it could also serve as a low-powered security system alternative to act as a motion detector. Furthermore, you could use this as a collision preventative measure on vehicles to prevent any potential vehicle accidents, while it could also monitor high-risk medical patients.